In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter specific GA4 events in Looker Studio. Understanding how to precisely filter events can provide incredible insights into your data, helping you make more informed decisions based on specific user interactions. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Looker Studio. Once you're there, it's time to create a filter to isolate the particular GA4 event you are interested in. To do this, begin by selecting a visualization within your report. With your visualization selected, navigate to the Setup tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled Add a Filter. Click on this and then choose Create a Filter. Now, let's give your filter a name that resonates with what you're mining for, like Contact a Submission, or anything that indicates the event you're targeting. Moving forward, the next step is to set the conditions for this filter. Under the Conditions section, you need to pick a dimension. For our purpose, select Event Name. You'll notice there are a couple of condition options such as equals or contains that you can choose from, depending on how specific you want to be. Enter the exact name of the GA4 event in the value field. Remember, this step is crucial as it is case sensitive and must precisely match the event name in GA4. Once you've double-checked everything and ensured it's accurate, click on Save. Congratulations, you have now successfully created a filter. Our next task is to apply the filter you've just created. With your visualization still selected, stay in the Setup tab. Here, locate the Filter section. Click on the filter box, and from the drop-down menu, select the filter you just created. Instantly, you'll see your visualization update to display only the data relevant to the event you filtered for. Isn't that satisfying? If you wish to apply the same filter across multiple charts or visualizations, simply select each chart, go to the Setup tab, and add your newly created filter from the Filter section. It ensures consistency and saves time by allowing you to use the same filter multiple times. Lastly, for added clarity and ease of interpretation, for anyone reviewing these reports, it's a good idea to rename the metrics associated with the filtered events. Click on the pen icon next to the metric name